On Earth, trees are one of the biggest organisms. Have you ever wondered from where they get these mass to become such a big organism? When this question is asked by a random peoples, 90% of them answered from soil. Here's the misconception rises. If trees are using soil for getting their mass, there must be big hole around trees or less soil around trees. But these doesn't seem practical. In 1600, a scientist named Johann Baptista van Helmont performed an experiment. Take a flower pot and filled it with the soil, and then he measured the weight of the pot. After that, he planted a tree from seed in their flower pot and make a tree to grow. During this interval, he ensured that no soil would remove or added to a flower pot. After 5 years, he detached the plant from pot and measured the weight separately. The result he got was surprising. The weight of trees was 72 kg, but weight of flower pot was only 60 gram decreased. By this experiment, it was confirmed that trees are not using soil to make their mass. So what are they using to make their mass? Actually, trees are mostly made up of carbon, and this comes from CO2, carbon dioxide. So trees get their mass from air. We releases CO2 and they uses it to make their mass. If you and tree is put in an enclosed environment, you are getting smaller and trees are getting bigger. In a sense, you are becoming free. Okay, I am aiming 30 likes on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to World Science. Stay safe, stay curious.